We are Tianxiang Technology Company, Limited. We participated in the 133rd Canton Fair and our booth is located at booth E35 in Hall 3.1. This is the first time that the China Canton Fair was opened after the epidemic. On April 15, 2023, we received businessmen from Russia, Kazakhstan, in Central Asia, Europe, Italy, and other countries. During the exhibition, we showcased 15 latest TV models in limited booth space and received high praise from customers. Through preliminary on-site communication with customers, and after fully understanding our factory's production capacity and product system configuration technology, 80% of customers left contact information with each other and confirmed orders after conducting on-site inspections at our factory after the exhibition ended.